How to disable share button on Facebook post and story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and then tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down to audience and visibility. So here you can see the option of post over here. So just tap on it. And as you tap on post, you can see the option of limit who can see post as the second option. So just tap on view. And here you can see the option of limit the past posts. So what happens after you do that is posts on your timeline that you have shared with friends of friends and public posts will now be shared only with friends. So if you tap on it, it will start limiting all the past posts on the timeline. Next, what you can do is go back and tap on profile and tagging, and then here you can see the option of allow others to share your post to their stories. So you can just disable this option over here, and now your stories will not be able to be shared. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.